here at the Coparts. Let's see what. Oh, wow! Let's see what happens. Truck is bouncing today, Devitt. It's bouncing. All right, guys, welcome on back to TK's Garage. Today, I have a couple of, I think, really cool and interesting cars that I'm going to be bidding on, and several are actually from Mercedes. And we're going to start with an AMG. All right, guys. Now, first on my list is the CLS 63 AMG. You got the AMG tips. It's not a fake AMG. It's an actual AMG. It has this matte, sparkly kind of paint on it. We got the aftermarket rims and whatnot on it. It is a V8 bi-turbo. We're going to take a look at the rear. The seats don't look too bad. Over-the-top wraps, in Hollywood, Florida. That looks like who it is that did the job. You know, the interior looks to be in fairly decent shape that I can see so far. I don't know why it is here. I haven't seen any damage as of yet. Interesting. Trunk opens up. Trunk looks clean. There's the kit. There's more floor mats down here. Uh-oh. Kerry Paul Honda? Is that who sold this? Huh. It's always interesting to look in the trunk. It can tell you a lot about a car you're looking to buy. Alright. Let's go around and take a look at the front. But first I'd like to open the hood, if at all possible. One thing I definitely notice is that the rotors are extremely rusted. And when you see this kind of stuff, just lets you know that it's been sitting here for a while. Now, that doesn't mean that it's bad. It just means it's been here for a while. There's a piece of the wrap. You can see the wrap. So I wonder what color this thing actually is. Probably black, right? Yeah, looking in the frame here, you can see it's black. All right. Let's see if the damn thing starts, though. Nice Harman Kardon audio system around. All right, got the old school key that actually plugs in. Now, there is a button that you can push in here where you can just use this as a wireless fob, but I haven't seen it. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Let's turn the radio down. Tele-aid inoperative. Let's see it start. Ooh, she fired right up. Nice. We have a tire pressure fault. Everything else seems to be good. Temperature doesn't look too crazy. She is out of gas. I don't really see any other errors on deck. Let's see if we can turn this damn AC off. There we go. I don't see any other errors, so that's a positive. That is a real positive here. Listen to that car. And there's what we got an auxiliary battery malfunction. Okay. Let's see what she sounds like from the rear. The undercarriage doesn't look bad. I'm not seeing any specific damage. It is listed as run and drive, but it does have a salvage title. Weird. Maybe it's already been fixed and somebody's just running it back through. Now in here, I see we have some kind of key, and we have a bunch of these sensors. Now these little parking sensors, in case you didn't know, are expensive as shit for Mercedes, okay? These little parking sensors are outrageous. These actually go in the bumper. So this tells me that this person clearly had an issue. Maybe got rear-ended and they replaced the bumper and then, you know, got a bunch of these sensors. But those sensors alone are outrageously expensive. Outrageously expensive. Which, by the way, so are these auxiliary cables that work for old school iPhones and whatnot too. These old auxiliary cables for Mercedes, also very expensive, which tells me it hasn't been sitting at this Copart very long, because if people see this kind of stuff in the console, unfortunately, they usually steal it. Like I said, the seats in here are in very good condition. You got the nice AMG branding and stuff all the way around. The car itself, like, I'm very surprised that it's here. I mean, I'm being honest. Like, I just don't get it. I don't get it. Like I said, she looks really good. I'll give you a full walk around of it. Sport Mind, produced by AMG. Okay. I mean, extremely beautiful car. I mean, really, it's really, really pretty. It just is, you know? And I guess for the right price, I mean, this could be something I throw some heavy money at. I guess we'll have to see. It looks good, though. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. This one here is from my dude Randy. This is an SL500. It is a 1997 with 113,000 miles. She looks fairly clean. It clearly was being taken care of. Someone has a car cover in the trunk to cover the car. The interior is not completely beat to dog shit. It looks pretty good. Let's see. Oh, what she's working with, huh? Now, this is a little bit newer than the one Randy was looking at that we looked at over in Oklahoma City. This one's in really nice shape. Not saying that the one Randy had wasn't in nice shape. All right, we'll see start. Fired right up. Is out of gas and washer fluid, but you saw it. Power steering looks good. She fires right up. This one is very cheap right now too. I like this little compartment. This is almost like the hidden compartment that you can lock. Oh wow, it doesn't want it. Wow, did I just break the window? Sorry. No, I'm just kidding. All right, cool. She runs. Does the AC work? Yep, I hear the compressor kick on. See if she blows cold. Give it a minute. Yep, she blows cold. So that's a win. That's a win if I say so myself. Got her off. Now, is it just me, or did Mercedes like move their damn hood releases to where you can't find them anymore? Like, I remember they used to be right here under the damn driver's side, but now I don't see them anymore. Let me know in the comments if you guys know where the damn hood release is on these. This one's right here. This is an old school Mercedes. Well, unfortunately for this one, the hood release is not working. It is broken. So maybe that's why it's here. It is listed as a run and drive. It does look really clean. But unfortunately, I will not buy nothing where I can't see the motor. It's just, you never know what you're dealing with down there until you take a look at it. That said, like I said, she's really clean. Top and stuff looks good. Good condition, you know. For the right price, I don't know. I don't think I could buy it though, to be honest. With no way to see that engine, to know. I mean, now granted, you look at the rest of this car and be like, it's got to be in really good shape, TK. Look at the rest of the car. But if I learned any lesson, and shout out to Randy, because I guess we both got to learn a lesson on that last SL500. I'm straight. I know Randy's saying, fuck you, man. She runs though. Woo, listen to that. Damn. I'm tempted. Damn it, I'm tempted. Let me know what you guys think. I'm tempted. I bet you this thing will go for the right price too. It'll probably go for dirt cheap. And I know I could drive this right back. No issues. Let me make, you know, I say that. Let me put it in gear. Reverse works. Drive works. All right. It's kind of cool. Heated seats and everything. I'm definitely interested, man. Oh shit. I see you. That was the bar, and I'm messing with the top. My bad. Oops. Yo. So it definitely has a roll bar that pops up. Nice. Anyways, before I do anything else stupid with this vehicle, let me know what you guys think. Next on my list is this 2012 Land Rover Range Rover. Now, why, TK, would you be interested in this vehicle? Well, I was interested in this vehicle before, and she was locked out. And that was because they didn't have a key to it. Now they have the vehicle at least open. You can see the mileage on it, 98,765 miles, which might scare most people. The key is not in the vehicle. Smart key is not found. Refer to handbook. So they have to get a key. Now, the vehicle is going up for auction today. Now, this could be a big risk. But I went ahead and I ran this thing through Carfax. Saw that it was a one owner. And this one also is not a salvage title. This one has been here since November. It was actually a repossession. And for whatever reason, maybe it's suspension damage, I'm guessing. Looking at the rims and whatnot on this vehicle, that's what caused it to be put here. Now, there's two vehicles I'm looking at that are high dollar, that are probably going to go for a decent amount of money. It's this Range Rover, and it's that CLS 63 over there that you guys probably saw earlier in the video, depending on how I put these all together. So I'm very tempted. I'm very tempted to snatch this up because for the most part, the vehicle is not ragged out, okay? Now, Range Rovers, you look at how the tires look, and yes, I see it has aftermarket rims and whatnot on it. But looking at the interior, it's in really good condition, okay? Let's take a look at the motor. If it'll let me. Might not open. Let's see if she opens. Yes. We might get lucky. All right, so we do have the big V8 in here. It is supercharged. You do see a little oil stain right here on the cover, which really doesn't scare me. The motor itself looks good. I see we have a little bit of oil staining and stuff over here as well on the coil pack. So here it leaked a little bit of oil, or it's typical on these engines, you know, they'll leak from the valve cover gaskets. But then looking down here, it's all nice and clean, you know, nice and clean. So maybe someone just spilled some oil when they were changing it, who knows. Everything else in here looks really good. It does. It really looks good to me. Battery looks good. Okay. Like even the parts and stuff, you would see like these plastic things down here. See, I put my boot in here so you can see it. Basically that right there. All that crap would break out in something that's been ragged out. Now I can see this valve here for the air conditioning system is wide open, and that's concerning. Maybe there's no AC. But I'm sure it's something that could be fixed. It all depends. Like I said, it just depends on what this truck would go for. If it goes for the right amount of money, it definitely would be something that I'm interested in. highly. Okay, this has the multi-way power seats, and like I said, no flooding. Super clean, you know, with the carpet and everything else. Just super clean all the way around. It's definitely, I know, and you're gonna say, well, you're a hypocrite, TK. You said you wouldn't buy something if you couldn't hear it run or you couldn't hear whatever. I'm also going by, but this is why I said I also pulled the Carfax on this and pulled its history. And this thing is just super friggin' clean. Oh, it even has the AV things back here to plug in AV stuff for auxiliary. That's actually kind of cool. That's actually kind of cool, to be honest. I don't see a monitor up here up top though. Okay, let's take a look at the far back. Now this would not be something I sell. This would be something for me. Oh, and the power works. See, that's why I said I know it just needs a key. I know this thing probably just needs a key and it will fire up. And I'm sure it's got Range Rover issues, you know? Full-size spare. Ooh, it's a little wet. Uh-oh. This is not a flood car. I wonder why that's wet. See? There's also water up there. See that? On the paint? Okay. Slightly concerning. I like that you have easy access to the rear shocks. The newer Range Rovers, that's not bad. That's really easy to get to right there. Damn, man. That sucks ass, man. Now I'm shook. I see this water back here and I'm going, why is it wet? It's not listed as a flood. See, man, sometimes you do too much investigative work and you might fuck yourself out of a good car. I don't see any water in there. All the fuses and stuff look good. Uh-oh. All right, someone left a license plate in here. I see you. So we know it was here locally. Don't fuck with me right now, please. You're gonna make me go this way first, huh? Or not? Did I do that wrong? I don't think so. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Yeah, that has to go down. That's why. No, why is it not closing? Oh, there we go. Do. Uh-oh. You know what else I see in here, though? Roaches. Damn. I gotta pass on it. Look, man, I can deal with a lot of stuff in cars. You guys have seen me puke out here and throw up looking at cars. I can't do roaches, though. I'm just not gonna, because I'm not getting them in my house, man. No, not doing it. On to the next one. That's going to do it for today's video, guys. If you like what I do or you like what you saw, make sure to click the thumbs up button. Your input is massively important to me when I'm bidding on stuff. And most of the stuff that you're seeing today is stuff that I will bid on later in the week. The auction schedule here is a little different than you see in other places. And I like to give you guys a chance to have some input and see if there's different things you guys would like to see on the channel or not, because the whole purpose of this channel is content and putting stuff out that you guys want to see. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys very much for following and subscribing, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.